guys, this is just one guy and I'm back here with my Mistborn project, and I've been working on the combat, and I've actually learned a lot about combat in video games from this. So let's just see what I put in. Hit play here. The lock on thing looks a bit different, and instead of dodge rolling, the character now can dodge from side to side, which actually makes the character a lot more overpowered than you would think, because now you can just do this. He still dodge rolls back and forward, but that's it. Another thing I put in, which is pretty complicated, was now you can do combos. And that's basically all I added, but it took a long time to figure out how to do that and get it to work correctly. But now the combat works a lot better. The characters now detect hits better, and the combat has a much better flow, which I was working on the iterations of combat. Also, you probably can't tell, but every time the character connects with a hit, it's a little hit stop, and the game actually pauses. It's pretty hard to kill this character because he's a pewter arm, which means he actually heals up. I think I have his healing set to 0, so it's not that bad. But he also has 1,000 health, and each one of these punches only do about 10 points worth of damage. So still got to work on the combat trolls a little bit. Sometimes I mess them up, but overall it's a much funner game now. I decided to work on the combat and AI because I'm gonna save all the third-person code and combat code and use it in other games, which I found really helpful because it'll speed up the development of my other projects, which is something useful if you're in game development. So I've just been working on that, and the AI works a little better now. He gives you a little more time to work out your tactics. Unfortunately, one side effect is if you actually use the what's this, the 10i, it actually makes it a little bit harder to tell what's going on. So I had to fix that. But you can also throw coins at them, which I believe I added in the last update. I fixed a lot of the glitches that were in the system too. There's still more because I wasn't really thinking about it. Like for instance, this that little lock-on thing underneath them, it's just a square. So if you ran over here and locked onto them, that would happen, which is pretty hilarious. I could fix that by matching that to the angle of the ground he's on, but then if he's in the air, it still wouldn't work correctly. But overall, I'm happy with the system, and I feel it works much better. I finally ran out of pewter. You can see he reacts to each one of the hits. Also, when you hit him, now it stops him from moving, so he can't attack you while he's actively being hit, which was a problem before. I had to fix the trail render on these punches. But beyond that, see if I can kill him. It's actually pretty easy to kill AI now. It's just that his health is so high that it's pretty hard to kill him. I only have the health set so high because when I'm testing stuff on him, I don't want him to die quickly. And that's basically it. When you're not locked on, you still dodge roll. Also slow down some of the animations on the punches so you can have a better fight rather than it just being really quick. And that's basically it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.